And there is the dragon's tooth. I guess this one's like a molar and that's an incisor, so to speak.
Do you like any content creation or anything?
Yeah, I've got a YouTube channel.
What
Yeah,
is it?
it's called Prestige Worldwide.
Okay.
So it's WHIRLWIDE. So it's kind of like in Step Brothers, like Prestige Worldwide, but it's
gotcha.
Whirl. Hello and welcome to Prestige Worldwide. Here we are at the base of the final hike up to Dragon's Tooth. The Appalachian Trail goes up this way. So I'm going to put a camera on my forehead. I've got a little head mount for the GoPro, and we're going to go hike up this rock all the way up to Dragon's Tooth, and I'll see you up there. Okay, so you're sort of climbing up these flakes. I'm pretty sure this is granite, and that's a little bit of a drop off down there. Just a little bit. It's better not to pay too much attention to down there and to pay more attention to what your hands and your feet are doing climbing on these rocks. Okay. And then there's another white blaze. I think we go down that way. Oh yeah. Look at that view. That is quite a view. Look at that house down there. They got a good view of us. Some ridges over there. We're in southwestern Virginia on the Appalachian Trail going to Dragon's Tooth. It's mostly younger people up here. You'll see a lot of college students. Makes me feel old. I'm only 41, but I'm certainly not as spry as I once was when I was their age. But it's beautiful out here, and this is a lot of fun. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else this morning. All right, and some more kind of rock scramble, rock step mixture here. Got to use your hands and your feet. I've been doing a lot of hiking lately. Feel free to check out my other hiking videos where I go to McAfee Knob and Mill Mountain. Feel free to like and subscribe. And I'll be doing more hiking videos as the year goes along, and actually as the years plural go along. I plan on doing a lot of cool hike videos. I'm trying out some new equipment. Got this new DJI Osmo Action 4. Check out the link of my review of that one, tabletop review. And as you can see in the shadow there, I've got like a head mount. Never used it before, so doing it for the first time here. All right, more climbing. Yeah, younger people have fun with this. They can basically just fly up this mountain without much difficulty whatsoever. They give you a couple of steel rungs to grab onto. It's actually very helpful. They only give you I think they give you 2 here, maybe 1 or 2 more right before the top. And we are almost to the top. So I was checking out some other Dragon's Tooth videos, and I didn't see anyone with a head-mounted GoPro yet. They all just kind of skip forward. They show you part of the easy stuff, and then there's the top. Magically, there's the top. There's the Dragon's Tooth, right up there. I smell campfire. There must be people camping at the base of that. I don't know if you guys could tell how steep it is. Well, it's pretty steep. On camera, a lot of times, it looks pretty tame. But you get out in person, it's a whole different story. So I got a 3-day weekend from work. It is a Friday. Normally I'd be at the office by now or out checking on a job site. But this morning, I'm on this mountain. This is way better than work. Work's way easier than this. Sort of. Oh man, this is fun. This is fun. I wonder if people are up there listening to me talking to myself. Like, what's this guy doing talking about work to himself? Is he crazy? I'll have what he's having. Honestly, this isn't as intimidating as it was the first time when I hiked it last October, because I kind of know what to expect. I have better shoes this time. These Merrill hiking shoes. They're grippier. They're what you want on a trail like this. I picked a good morning to film. There's like no wind. I didn't even need my external mic. It's just raw DJI Osmo audio. Everyone's switching to DJI these days. I sold my GoPro. I had a GoPro Hero 11. Got rid of it. Got a DJI Osmo Action 4. And we're right near the top. Man, I don't know. That does seem easier than it did the first time. It really does. Okay. So 1/10 of a mile that way is the tooth. I'll take you on that way. That's the rest of the trail. That's southbound. That's technically northbound. We'll hike on down to the tooth. Got birds chirping. Here we are at the top. The tooth is just a little bit down that way. There is a little easier walkway that I took last time to get over there. This is more of the direct route along the ridge. I guess for those who didn't get enough rock climbing on the way up. How's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good.
Good GoPro?
It's a DJI Osmo 4.
How do you like that?
I love it. I sold my GoPro. I had a Hero 11.
Yep.
And bought this and sold that.
Right.
This one also connects to the mic mini.
Okay.
I'm not using it out because there's like no wind.
Yeah.
But you got a little windsock on it, and
Love it.
yeah, there's no dongle or anything. It just remotely connects. The mic connects right up to it. That's the main reason I got it.
You do like any content creation or anything? Or
Yeah, I've got a YouTube channel.
Do you? What
Yeah,
is it?
it's called Prestige Worldwide.
Okay.
So it's WHIRLWIDE. So it's kind of like in Step Brothers, like Prestige Worldwide, but it's Whirl.
Gotcha.
Whirl. Like,
Yeah.
go ahead. I did McAfee Knob a couple weeks ago.
How'd you like it? Was that your first time?
No, I mean, I did a video on McAfee Knob.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been up there a bunch. I live in Roanoke, so.
I was telling him about, and you probably know about Tim Lewis.
No, I don't.
Oh, dude, go. Are you on Facebook?
Not yet. I'm thinking about. I haven't had a Facebook.
Instagram?
No. I just have
Okay.
YouTube.
He might have a YouTube channel. Tim Lewis. He's
Okay.
a local guy.
I'll get it off the film when I.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. He's summited McAfee. I was telling him over 400 times now.
400.
He's a runner, and he just does it in the morning, like before work.
That's
he
cool.
Lives near the trailhead, you know.
It's probably an hour and 15 minutes or something back and forth for him.
Yeah. But he puts out really cool stuff. He's
Okay.
like, with photography.
I'll check it out.
Check him out. You probably will find him on YouTube.
Cool. Yeah, I've done McAfee 9 times, I guess, but I just started last year. So yeah.
Just started hiking.
Yeah, I started hiking. Yeah, I've lost 40 pounds.
Good for you,
Yeah.
man. Love it.
Yeah. I'm trying to get like 10 to 15 miles a week
Yep.
of hiking. So
All right, I see your McAfee video. All right, I'm gonna subscribe to you, and then I'll
Awesome.
check it out later.
awesome. Thanks, man. Yeah, drop a comment.
name?
Adam.
Adam.
Yeah.
Jeremy. This is Danny.
Nice to meet you guys. So you doing the Triple Crown?
No, we're doing all but the north part.
Okay.
So,
So here up to McAfee and then,
we're gonna do. Yep. So we came in last night,
but not
set
Tinker.
tent, like near the Dragon's Tooth Trailhead, around 10, 11-ish.
Uh-huh.
Got up at 4:45, hiked up here, and then today we're going to the Catawba shelter, the last shelter before McAfee.
Yeah.
And then camp there tonight. Get up early tomorrow, sunrise at McAfee, and then go to Andy Lane Trailhead, and then we're getting the shuttle back to Dragon's Tooth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
I want to do the Triple Crown just because I want to say I did it. You know.
Uh-huh.
Even even if it's just to myself. You know, I want to know that I've done it.
Oh, I want to do it too. It's on
But
it's on my list now.
The north part.
I just heard about this other ridge where it makes a loop. The Triple Crown loop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's Triple Crown Loop.
Yeah.
It's Dragon's Tooth, McAfee, Tinker, and then you do like North Mountain or North.
Yeah. That okay.
And there's no water sources.
Okay.
So if you do it, like fill up on water. The last day, because you're gonna have like 9.
That's a lot of weight to carry.
I think it might be more than 9 actually, and there's no water.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of weight.
Yeah.
But it's better than the alternative.
It looks more like a fire road, that North Trail.
So there is a fire road. Last time I did McAfee, we came back the fire road.
I mean, I know there's a fire road to McAfee, but on that other ridge. I mean, I've never been on it, but I was just looking at it on the map the other day, and it looks more like a fire road.
Okay.
I mean, that just what I saw on the map.
Yeah. No, it's from what I'm told. There's no views.
Okay.
And a lot of it's in the sun.
Yeah.
You know, like
exposed.
AT, you got the green tunnel, and it kind of like
you're
in the sun, but you got something.
Yeah.
That one is, and it's your 3rd day, so you're already beat. Yeah.
Cool. All right. It was nice talking to you guys. Have a
Enjoy
good.
it, man. I'll
Yeah.
check
You
out
too.
your videos later.
Yeah. Thanks, man. Have a good hike. Be safe. And there is the Dragon's Tooth. I guess this one's like a molar, and that's an incisor, so to speak. I think people camp right here too. I think they're allowed to camp. A little campfire going there. Hello. There we go, Dragon's Tooth. I don't think I'm gonna hike to the top this time. One of these days I will, just not today. I heard someone fell off of this thing. Didn't someone fall off recently or something?
I have no idea.
I heard about it.
I would imagine that would be possible, though.
Like fell off from up there, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I don't know how long ago, but I heard it wasn't that long ago.
Oh, that's not good.
So.
I'm sure it's probably pretty easy to do that.
This one? Oh, to fall off? Oh, yeah, it's probably pretty easy. All right, well, have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you. All right, time to hike back down. One last look at the incisor and the molar, and then I guess that would be, I don't know what other tooth, that'd be a canine over there. All right, here we are at Dragon's Tooth. So as you guys saw on the hike up, it's quite challenging, a lot of rock climbing and stuff like that, but it is just beautiful up here. The view is just outstanding. Now, some people climb up to the top up here. I'm not going to be one of those people today. Not going to do it. Actually, it's not as hard as it looks from here. You can kind of hike up the other way and get up there, but it ain't me. That's not my jam. I'm not the guy, you know, not the guy, not today at least. So it's only like 9 o'clock, so I have the whole day left, but I got other stuff to do. I'm gonna go ahead and hike down this mountain, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.